So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! And do you like donuts? Yeah, I do too, but I only eat donuts after I eat a nice big healthy meal. But today, you and I get to draw a donut. All right, let's first take this brown marker and draw a big circle. There we go, just like that. And let's draw a smaller circle on the inside. Now it looks like you can hold that donut, huh? Nom, nom, nom. But it doesn't look tasty without frosting, right? I know. I should probably take my pink marker and then draw some frosting right there. Whoa, now that looks tasty, right? I know, but we'll make it even tastier is sprinkles. So let me take this purple marker and make some sprinkles. There we go. Wow, pink frosting and purple sprinkles. Whoa, now that looks like a yummy donut. Whoa, if you like donuts and you love drawing with me and you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!